Well, I'm feeling great today, even though it's extremely cloudy, dark outside. But I'm feeling really good because today I'm going to show you something super exciting. So, as you know, this is a pyramid made out of toothpicks and Play-Doh. Yep, these blue parts are Play-Doh. Now, first, here's the thing. Pyramids have been there for a very long time. And then, if you know how long, well, it's 4,500 years ago the pyramids of Giza were made. So, well, this isn't going to be exactly as big as the pyramids of Giza, but there'll be a model of it. So, as you can see, this is a triangular based pyramid. It has a base of a triangle. And what other type of pyramid there is? Well, that is a square based pyramid. And that has a base of a square. And that's what I'll be showing you how to make. So, here's the thing. I have attached this to the clipboard. But what I'll be doing with the other one is I won't. Because what I'll be doing at the end, I'll do a test. So if you've seen my marshmallow and toothpick tower, well, that took a lot of support. So this time, I'm not gonna cheat with sticking it to the ground, or the clipboard, or the table. I'm gonna just make balls of Play-Doh and then gently keep it on there so it doesn't stick. Next, to prove you that pyramids are extremely strong, I already said that they've been there for an extremely long time. But I'll also do an earthquake test, which where I'll lift up the clipboard and then shake it. Well, of course, this thing's cheating because it's stuck to the clipboard, but the other one I won't. And then let's see. Let's get started. You'll be needing toothpicks, and you'll be needing a lot of them. And I just made the world's biggest mistake to open that. Well, anyway, we will be needing these, so let's just keep them out. And we'll be needing a clipboard, or cardboard will be okay too. And Play-Doh, of course. So, first things first. Open up the Play-Doh box. Yeah, I know, I didn't want to make that too dramatic. Okay, so my triangular base pyramid is, well, 2 toothpicks wide. So it's like this. Like that. So what I'll be doing now is making it 2 toothpicks wide like this. That. Need 2 more like that. So, well, it'll not be too big for us to build. Because you can try making it 3, but just to show you how big it'll be. This is bigger than the width of my clipboard. I think it'll be a very good challenge for you to do. Anyway, let's get started. So I'm just gonna make it like that, and then take some Play-Doh, take almost everything. I'm just gonna make a thing like this, and then stick it. Gonna make the base flat so it has a sturdy base too. Then stick that there. Perfect. It's gonna stretch this out a little bit. That, and perfect. Like that. Now we need to do this step a few more times. And as you can see, this looks amazingly cool. Now, time for the most funnest part. The earthquake test. Bum, bum, bum! My square base pyramid is this one. My triangular base pyramid is this one. So, now this, I'm pretty sure will win the marshmallow and toothpick and this one, because obviously it's stuck. See, earthquake time. World got upside down time. World going spinning all the way around time. Then earthquake time on this. I think this one might be stuck too. Yeah, it's stuck. Triangles are way stronger than stuff which are, well, super duper tall. And, well, what they do is that they start about this wide at the bottom, and they go up, and then they go like that, and then it tapers to the top. But that is not enough. It goes straight up, but you know what? Well, modern buildings are, well, super tall, but their base is also the same width as it has at the top. So, they have that small taper that does help a lot, but it's not enough. As you know, pyramids have been there for 4,500 years, and, well, basically, what's happened is that this is that wide at the bottom, and it gets that. It's, well, really fast how it tapers, and triangles are much stronger. You can see, I'm just going to try to do something right now. I'm literally putting the weight of nothing's happening. So guys, that'll be for today. I hope you had fun watching this video. And it's sadly still not clear outside. No. It's all dark and gloomy, so yeah. Anyway, it's really nice of you guys to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and even to watch this video. Thanks for all the support you guys have been giving. Stay tuned for more. Thank you. Goodbye.